Okay, so what do we have here? Well, what we have here is a BWD oscilloscope. I'm going to do a modification. Why? Well, it's because this. Alright. The neon or the light is still on. So that means the switch doesn't turn off the mains. Now, this is a valve-based set. This has vacuum tubes in it. Or valves. Depending how you want to say it. So it doesn't switch them off, so it will degrade the life of the tubes. So it will put a load on the filament. Now I don't want that. When you do that, I think it just turns on the B+. So we have that. So otherwise the thing doesn't really work as intended. What I will be doing is I will change the switch so it will actually turn off 240 volts. So turn the entire thing off and then we can... Okay, so you need to discharge every capacitor you see. Rule 101. 2, don't touch anything. You're not really supposed to. Both, we've got a bit of wire here. The function generator, not that it really means anything, but still generate something as a display, a sine wave, like sine wave, and oscilloscope. And yeah, that's about it. And your basic flathead screwdrivers. Basic tools to get this job done. And maybe a torch. Awesome. Alright, well let's get to it. Alright, let's put the cover off here. Just loosen up a little bit here, and now we can lift off the cover now. Or not. Okay, so it's got more tubes than I thought. It's got transistors. Nice, we've got a mini watt tube. So we turn it on. Without anything, for obvious reasons. We'll just plug it in. Check this up and pull it out again. Carefully. Feel a bit of heat on the tubes there. So you can see the heaters there nicely. So we've got this on here. If I turn that on, it doesn't do anything. Made in Australia. Nice. So we have our nice trays there. Nice heat in the tubes. But that's not what we want. We want the entire thing to switch off when I switch the power off. So that's what we're going to modify now. So I'm going to turn the thing off. Actually first, holding it by the top, not anything else. For obvious reasons. I'm going to use the multimeter. One of the most useful tools anyone can ever own. So we've got a globe there. I'll check faults AC. Quarter engine. Please don't let that be something really, really high. That's going to blow my meter. Put it out of the way. The volts. Now, if I carefully, I'm saying carefully, I actually mean carefully. I don't want to short anything out. Stand by. Alright, carefully did it. It's 245 volts. I'll do it with an insulated thing. My pen. These here, that's supposed to be the switch part, and it's supposed to be also the switch part. However, they're common together. So that means they are they're actually shorted together. So that means the switch does squat. Ooh, they're still lit up. That's not. Because that's the intensity. So the thing is always on. And that's what we're gonna fix.